Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Coinbase or Robinhood. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is I won't tell you which platform is better because both are great. I will tell you with the differences on both platforms which one will fit you the best. So let's start right here on 5 topics today. On the main focus, best for trading tools, interface, and fees and trading costs. Those 5 will be the topics where I will tell you the differences. So let's start right here with Coinbase, and the main focus on Coinbase is cryptocurrency investing and trading, and the main focus on Robinhood is commission-free investing and trading. If you look right here to the best for, Coinbase is the best for crypto investors and Robinhood is the best for beginner investors and casual traders. Then if you look to the trading tools and compare those two, Coinbase has crypto trading, staking and wallet futures, and Robinhood has stock, ETF, options and basic crypto trading tools. If you look to the interface, Coinbase is simple and crypto focused, and Robinhood is extremely simple and beginner friendly. So when you're a complete beginner, have any experience with crypto trading, then Robinhood is best. And when you're a little bit further and did some trades, then I recommend you to use Coinbase. If we look right here to the fees and trading costs, Coinbase has high crypto trading fees and Robinhood has commission-free trading with spread-based crypto pricing. So if you ask me in a honest opinion, many investors use Coinbase for crypto investing, staking rewards, secure storage and long-term crypto holdings. And many investors use Robinhood for stocks, ETF, options trading and simple commission-free investing. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.